Hey everybody, I've always been intrigued by people that do videos that show the complexity of picking these Chinese smiley locks as if it's something complex, that you need a special turner and all that. I paid $5 for this lock. It has a steel roll pin that retains the cylinder. I can probably use an extractor to remove that roll pin very easily. What a piece of garbage. But I don't know. Here's the keys. Lock works. Nothing to see here. Using the number 8 jiggler. Open. Wow, and that was the first one I tried too. Pretty bad. I don't know. Need I say more?